Esters are hydrolyzed to form alcohols. Two types of hydrolysis to form alcohols with esters. Acid hydrolysis. And acid hydrolysis when we reflux ester with a dilute acid, aka sulfuric / hydrochloric acid. And what happens is we form an alcohol plus an acid. So acid hydrolysis, we form an acid and we reflux an ester with dilute acid, sulfuric / hydrochloric / sulfuric, and we form an acid plus alcohol. So in this case, we've got an ester, ethyl ethanoate, plus H2O, hydrolyzed, add water, and then the acid, dilute acid, so H plus reflux, and now we form ethanoic acid plus an alcohol, so it's going to be ethanol. So what happens is, you can see that all that happens is you add a hydrogen here and this just bonds with here to form ethanol. Alkaline hydrolysis, when we reflux ester with a dilute alkali such as sodium hydroxide, NaOH, and when we use alkaline hydrolysis with reflux an ester with dilute alkali sodium hydroxide, we form carboxylate ion and carboxylate ion and an alcohol. So ethyl ethanoate plus OH minus, a dilute alkali sodium hydroxide, reflux to form a carboxylate ion. So in this case, ethanoate, all we do, oxygen becomes negative and then this bonds with this to form ethanol. So esters are hydrolyzed to form alcohols. Acid hydrolysis, reflux ester with a dilute acid, bracket hydrochloric / sulfuric acid, and we form an acid plus an alcohol. Ethyl ethanoate plus H2O, arrow H plus reflux, and we form an acid, ethanoic acid plus ethanol. So we add a H here, and then the rest of this bonds with this to form the alcohol ethanol. Alkaline hydrolysis, reflux ester with a dilute alkali, bracket sodium hydroxide, NaOH. And when we use alkaline hydrolysis, or it's sometimes in the textbook it's called base hydrolysis, the CGP one. But yeah, base / alkaline hydrolysis, reflux ester with a dilute alkali, sodium hydroxide, NaOH. We form a carboxylic ion and an alcohol. So plus ethyl ethanoate plus OH minus, arrow reflux. We don't use a dilute acid. We don't have H plus. It's just reflux with one arrow, and we form ethanoate, the one O minus plus ethanol.